shop. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to do a modification or an install on the JK. We got a roof rack for the Jeep. Really couldn't decide. I knew I did not want to drill on the Jeep right now. So with that, of course it limited what we could pick from. So I went with an EAG roof rack. So it will mount on the rear, on the bolts on the rear glass, as well as the rain gutters on the side of the Jeep. Reviews speak pretty highly of it, so gonna give it a try and see what we think. What I've seen people running rooftop tents. If we one day down the road decide to install one of those. But again, for now, did not want to drill or have to remove the bumper. Some of the racks, I like them a lot. It requires you to remove the bumper and install to the frame and then put the bumper back on. It just didn't want to do that right now. So got the box over here. We'll get it unboxed, get it all laid out, and then see about putting it on top of the Jeep. Alright, well, here it is. Put together here in the middle, as well as that side. And then it will, here in the front, like I mentioned, connect to the rain gutters on the side of the Jeep, on either side. And then back here in the back, those will bolt to the rear window where the hinge is on the glass. So we'll get the parts out and start getting it all put together. All right, jumped ahead a little bit. The camera died on me, had to get it charged. But as you can see, had to remove these caps here. They were just on here. Remove those. You got two bolts here. Those bolts come out. This bracket slides under and the bolts go back in. Same on both sides. You here to help me?
Yep.
Alright. Did you take this piece?
Mm-hmm. What are we going to do with this?
And you're going to take that bolt and put it down through there, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Alright. Now put that one right here. And stick that bolt in there. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Up there, last step, get the front mount to that plate there, and then the rain gutter, one on either side. It wants you to mount this and then this to it. I'm going to try to take a shortcut and just go ahead and have this on here ready to go. to a little bit of a snag. Hard to see. Let's see if I can get the light right. So there you see everything's lining up, but down here it does not. So that's got to slide under, and when it does that, you can see the holes don't line up. So gonna see if we can kind of get it started and what happens, what it looks like after I do. So let's see here. This last one's looks like it lines up, but it's off just a hair, boogering it up just a little bit, but I think we'll be able to get it in there. May loosen these a little bit, get this one back, then bring these back in. Scared I'm gonna break that. It is very snug. What I think the problem is their bolts are welded on this piece on here. I think this one's a little crooked, causing it to not sit right. It is snug. While I'm not really happy with it, I'm okay with it. It's not going anywhere. Put too much more tension on it, that's gonna snap. So got those snug. Come out here. Gonna get those tightened up. Back to the other side, do the same thing, and we should be ready to go. All right, got it all snugged up, tight. Trying to get the camera there, it's hard to tell. But again, this one bolt here is going in at an angle, and I think it's because that nut underneath there that's welded to it is a little bit crooked, causing it to go in an angle. It's in, it's tight, it's not all the way in, but the other three are in, and the other four on the other side are in. But all in all, it looks good. It appears to be rather sturdy. No rattling or anything. Did notice, and I think this is part of shipping, you kind of see some discoloration there. I hope that's no wear on the powder coat or anything. I'll get a rag or something to that and try to clean it off. Again, I think it's just part of shipping. That and this here, obviously prefer something made in the USA, but hey, it works. Like I mentioned earlier, I did not want to drill, so this is a no drill option. Down the road may change my mind, but for now, this is what I got. Again, looks fairly sturdy. I believe online it rates up to 300-pound capacity for cargo, so should be able to put a lot of gear up here, get a lot of it out of the Jeep that used to take up a lot of interior room. And that does it for this install. Nothing hard. Took a couple hand tools and about an hour. Obviously, I didn't get to do it start to finish in an hour. Had some other things to take care of, but all in all, probably took about an hour. Seems very sturdy. Looking forward to getting it out and putting some gear and equipment on it to really test it. I'll circle back as well to see if there's any wind noise or anything like that that it has. But looking forward to using it, and I think it's going to work well for our setup and our adventures to come. So thanks for tuning in. Look forward to seeing you out on the trail one day, and check back for some more shop installs that we have to do here in the future. Thanks.
Peace out. Bye.